the appearances. Mr. Kiprop.
Before I give you the forum, Mr. Mogolo last week was attacking us that we had occupied the front seat.
That you're not?
Today,
that you hadn't done what?
occupied the front seat. Now today is debating and throwing the state back to the bench.
One of you, please give Mr. Kiprop space at the front.
Your Honor, what is not disclosing, later can confirm this. When I saw he was likely going to miss seats, I confirmed with Linda. I even requested Linda. They were brought 3 seats, which they did not think were comfortable. They took here. Then those
because give him a seat at the front because the state is the state.
Yes, that's what I was pleading with you. Ask even Mr. Mari, maybe that's what Mr. Kito, please sit here, and he has refused.
Mr. Magolo,
Yes.
Do not offer Mr. Kiprop a seat that doesn't look very comfortable.
I didn't hear that. I just saw seats for seats. But particularly what it is an occupied by Mr. Mbeta because it's sweet.
We have been having a debate.
Yeah.
Is it them who are senior or is it the attorney general? It's a serious issue. But that is off the cuff.
Mr. Kiprop.
Thank you. Yeah.
We are here because
Oh, you wanted to be under the fan. Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, I appear on behalf of the state,
Yes.
together with Mr. Susyoka
Yes.
and Mr. Sigi.
Present.
Mr. Kiprop, Mr. Musyoka, Mr. Singh.
Mr. Sigi.
for the defense.
Yes.
We have Mr. Magolo,
Yeah.
Mr. Meta, Mr. Wamboi Shaka, Mr. Osoro, I'm present, Mr. Egesa, Mr. Koko, and Mr. Kai, together with Mr. Omari from the defense.
Anyone who has been left out? Now that is what we refer to as a battery of lawyers, or an argument of lawyers. Any other appearance? The LSK? Not here today. Mr. Kiprop.
Your Honor, pursuant to your ruling delivered on the 2nd of May 2023, we appear before you for the state to give the status report on the ongoing investigations. Your Honor, this morning we filed a further affidavit.
I haven't seen an affidavit in this file.
The affidavit is dated 4th of May 2023 and sworn by Mr. Joyce Muyuki, one of the lead investigators in this matter.
me a minute.
Your Honor. In fact, I wanted you not to even read it.
It's part of the record, Mr. Ombeta. Is the affidavit served upon the respondents?
Yes, yes, Your Honor, we have served the affidavit.
Are you standing on the preliminary points?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Yes.
Your Honor, this is a matter that you had already made a decision on the last time we were in court. I believe that if the state wants to reopen up this matter, and they are coming by way of an affidavit, they should seek leave of this court, first of all, to file in a further affidavit.
Mr. Ombeta,
Yes,
my view then is that
yes,
you respond after he has made his submissions.
yes.
Then you can state all that you're stating. Yeah.
What Mr. Cliff is trying to say
Yes.
that if they are allowed to argue the application, there's no application before you. The question we are raising is just like appeal. Is there anything before you? So that once the court pronounces itself that there is a document before you competent to be submitted on, then they can submit.
But that can very well be part of the response. And the court will make a decision.
We are avoiding the question of content being submitted on, then we respond. We are simply seeking a procedural question. Once that procedural question is dealt with, then
Okay.
substance that
All right.
Proceed.
Then raise your point, Mr. Ombeta.
yeah, please.